If you're working out, eating better, and still not seeing results, this is probably why. I'm gonna break down the exact simple fat loss plan I use with all my clients so you can actually start seeing results. Most people mess this up in one of two ways. Either they're eating way more than they think, or they go super strict, burn out, and fall off every weekend. And they think something's wrong with them. There's nothing wrong with you, you just don't have a simple system. So here's the system. First thing, protein. If you're not eating enough protein, fat loss is way harder than it needs to be. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And if you're pretty overweight, you don't have to go crazy with it. Top it off around 200 grams of protein. You don't have to go crazy high, just keep it reasonable. Examples of good protein sources are things such as chicken, Greek yogurt, eggs, protein shakes, things like that. This will keep you full longer and building muscle. It makes everything easier. Second, calories. This is where most people get confused, but it's actually super simple. You just need to eat slightly less calories than your body burns. Just don't overcomplicate tracking. I tell my clients to track their calories for about a week, and then we can see what calorie count is keeping them at the weight they are. Then we subtract 200 to 500 calories the next couple weeks, see if that brings their body weight down. If it does, we keep that for a little bit, and once we get to a new plateau, we'll change it from there. Here's a couple tips for keeping your calories in line. Eat similar meals daily. Watch your portion size. If your weight's not going down in 2 to 3 weeks, adjust your calorie count. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Now this is the one that actually matters, consistency. Most people are good Monday through Thursday, then Friday through Sunday hits and they undo everything. You don't need a perfect week, you need a controlled weekend. Here are some simple rules that'll help you keep dieting on the weekend. Keep the same meals, or don't turn one bad meal into 6. Also, make sure you get your steps in, and if you're gonna eat poorly, at least go to the gym those days. Fat loss isn't only about being locked in for 5 days, it's by not messing it up in those 2. Now for training, you don't need anything crazy. 3 to 5 workouts a week is fine. You wanna be strength training focused. Also, if you don't have a gym membership, you can order things like TRX straps or resistance bands and get a great workout at home. I'll link those things below. So if you follow these 3 things, protein, calories, and consistency, you will lose fat. It's just a matter of time. And if you want me to set this up for you, your calories, your workouts, everything, I do online and in-person coaching. I have clients losing weight successfully online and in person. This is the type of thing I've helped hundreds of clients do, so I know I can help you.